the question 在哪儿 be where? Where is something? 在哪儿? The answer can be, if it's here, you say 在这儿. 在 to be at somewhere. So 在 you can use your finger 在这儿这儿在这儿. Here, be here, it's here. And you can point if something is over there, you say 在那儿在那儿. Attention. 那儿 there. And the question for where, and we say 哪儿. So the question and answer sounds like this way. 在哪儿 where? 在那儿 over there. The tones are different. 哪儿那儿 and 在里面 面 means side. 里 in something. So 在里面 at inside. In a hotel, in a restaurant, in a supermarket, you can say 在 some place 里面在里面在外面外 means out, outside. So 面 means side, so 外面 outside. 在外面 So where is my father? Oh, 在外面外面 be outside.